Hi, good evening. So, what's your New Year resolution? I'm sure you must be making some, or you must be thinking about, because I think each year around 25th of December or around last month, during the last month, we all try and think of what our New Year resolutions are going to be. And with a lot of excitement, with a lot of happiness, and with a lot of commitment, we start our time and we start our day from 1st January. That okay, first day of the year, we are going to be doing this. I'm going to shed 20 kgs. I'm going to be slim and trim. Whichever ways we all think of plentiful of things. And what happens till 10th of January, everything happens well. And then so today again I have my sweet little pet who has come. Okay, so I think she's going to disturb me, so let me just hold on for a while, send her out of the room, and then continue with this video. Hi, I'm back. With a great difficulty, managed sending her out. So where was I? So that was on the New Year resolutions, right? So what happens is, initially with a lot of enthusiasm, with a lot of hope, with a lot of positivity, we start our resolution and we start implementing it. By 15th of January, half our resolutions go tipsy-turvy and then they start fizzling. And I think by March we don't even remember that what was the resolution for the year, and then we nowhere. So I was just wondering, how do we keep this resolution fire, a flame burning for the rest of the year? I never got an answer till the time I met this friend of mine who stays in Dehradun. And when I went to meet her, this is many years ago, about 7 years ago, and when I went to meet her, I saw a beautiful vision board in her room. And it was a lot of things which were written: I am this, I am this, I am doing this, I am achieving this, I am getting this. And I was like, this looks interesting. I said, what's that? And that's when she told me that that's my vision board. I said, vision board? She says, this is what keeps me motivated throughout the year. And this is what keeps reminding me every now and then that that's what I look up to. And this is what I'm going to achieve in this year. Came back, made my own vision board. And 1 year after the year, it's been 5 years now since I've been preparing my vision boards. I look at them every now and then, and it keeps me agile, it keeps me motivated, and the best thing is it keeps me happy and it shows me a way. So now what's a vision board? थोड़ी सी बोरिंग बात लगती है, बट कुछ चीज़ें हैं which you must remember. And as youngsters, and even us, for anybody, we all can prepare our vision boards for the year. बहुत कुछ लंबा चौड़ा मसला नहीं है. You're not going to be spending a lot of money or time or effort. It's just that the intentions have to be good. So there are a couple of rules for vision board. Try and take a bigger chart. Pick up a couple of magazines, old magazines. You can pick up lifestyle magazines. You can pick up any magazines which on health, on fitness, on sports. So you'll be needing a chart, you'll be needing some colors, you'll be needing scissors, and you'll be needing a couple of magazines. Keep cutting anything that inspires you, keep cutting anything that motivates you. And before that, before you start cutting and doing all this, think on the areas on which you want your vision board to be created. I'll be sharing a lot of things with you as ideas. बट इसका मतलब 2-3 चीज़ें ध्यान रखने वाली हैं. सिर्फ बना देना और टांग देना, उससे काम नहीं होता. Who's successful? जो परसिस्टेंटली उसको करता है. तो आपका विजन बोर्ड आपके लिए क्या करेगा? वो आपको रोज़ याद दिलाएगा. क्या याद दिलाएगा? दैट आपने कुछ अपनी ज़िंदगी के लिए इस साल के गोल्स बनाए हैं. उन गोल्स को आपने पूरा करना है. आपके वो वाले गोल्स जहाँ पे आप पहुँचना चाहते हो, वो आपको रोज़ याद दिलाएगा. समथिंग लाइक, you know, with a hammer you are putting it on the nail, and that nail is here. So it's going to remind you. और आप उस विजन बोर्ड को कब देखोगे? अब ये नहीं कह देना 10 दिन के बाद, अरे बोर हो गया. जब आप विजन बोर्ड को देखोगे तो उस टाइम उसको आप पढ़ोगे और आई एम पढ़ोगे तो आपको बहुत अच्छा ये लगेगा कि मैं वो कर रहा हूँ. योर माइंड इज गोइंग टू बी टेलिंग यू द सेम एंड इट्स गोइंग टू बी चैनलाइज्ड. एंड सेकेंडली, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंटली, ये कब करना है? या तो सुबह या सोते समय. द बेस्ट इज मॉर्निंग एंड नाइट, because when we are sleeping, so whatever the last 15 minutes or half an hour we are taking and absorbing in our minds, that gets registered here, and when it gets registered here it goes into our subconscious mind, and then we think of that, we dream of that, and our mind also feels कि उसको ये सोने से पहले इंस्ट्रक्शन मिले हैं. इसका एक एग्जाम्पल देती हूँ. जिस दिन आपको लगे कि मैंने ट्राई करना है, मेरा सबकॉन्शियस माइंड मेरा काम करता है कि नहीं, मेरा नौकर है कि नहीं, मेरी सुनता है कि नहीं, उस दिन रात को सोने से पहले अपने आप को बोल के सोना, हे यू, सुबह मुझे 5 बजे उठा देना. आई नो उठा दोगे, थैंक यू. देखो बिना अलार्म लगाए सुबह 5 बजे एक बार तो वो उठाएगा. अब वो आपकी मर्जी है कि रज़ाई ओढ़ के दोबारा सोना है या करवट पलट के सोना है या झट जाना है. वो आपकी विल पावर पे है, पर आपका सबकॉन्शियस माइंड आपको ज़रूर उठाएगा. सिमिलरली जब आप विजन बोर्ड बनाते हो तो आपका सबकॉन्शियस माइंड उसको जब रोज़ रात को पढ़ रहा है और रोज़ सवेरे पढ़ रहा है तो वो बातें बार 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 लिखी जा रही हैं कि मुझे ये करना है. एंड दैट विल कीप टेलिंग यू टू बी कमिटेड टुवर्ड्स व्हाट यू आर वांटिंग टू डू एंड टुवर्ड्स योर गोल्स. ट्राई करके देखना. I was successful to a large extent, 90% प्लस. कोशिश करके देखो, शायद आप 100% हो जाओ. There's no harm. वैसे भी सफलता नहीं मिलनी है तो अगर ऐसे करके मिल जाए वारे न्यारे, और फिर कभी कभार नीति को थैंक यू बोल देना. तो चलो बनाए विजन बोर्ड 2021 के लिए. लेट्स स्टार्ट. मैंने अपने हिसाब से 5 चीज़ें सोची हैं which I thought I would share with you. First and the foremost, in any vision board, I always think that the most important thing is gratitude. The gratitude to Almighty, gratitude to this universe. So what can we do for that? We can either cut a nice picture of anything. It could be a place where you feel that you get connected to. And what you could write that I'm blessed. You could write I'm thankful for blessing me with a beautiful home. The second point, most importantly, आज के सिनेरियो को देखते हुए, is health and happiness. If you are a sports person, if you have an idol whom you look up to, anybody's picture you can paste it there, and even you can have your own picture, holding a cup, and then you can write about it that I'm enjoying playing cricket at the national level, or you can say I'm walking on the footsteps of Nadal, or you can say that I love my yoga class. But you must write I am, because as many times you will be writing I am and reading I am, you are telling your mind, you are telling your brain, I am doing this, I am doing this, and your subconscious mind, it would be registered that I am this. Okay. Now coming to the third thing. As per me, the third most important thing is your family. So you could write something like, I enjoy or I'm loving baking or cooking together with my family. Anything about your family that you feel like writing. You can have a nice, lovely, lovey-dovey family picture and you can paste it there, and then you can scribble whatever comes to your mind. Now coming to the fourth thing, which is again a very important one, that is money. All of us are trying to earn or gain from some or the other sources, right? If you're good in writing blogs, you could write, that I'm gaining from unexpected sources. I'm happy to write 50 blogs in this year. So it will remind you every now and then that in this year you have to write 50 blogs. Now the fifth and the foremost important is giving back. What are you giving back to society? What are you giving back to this planet? What are you giving back to the earth? I think you must mention that, because that's most important part. As a student, I think you can say that, okay, I am enjoying planting 100 trees in this year. You can even do something like, I'm not going to be wasting the resources. So this was a little glimpse about the vision board. You can create your vision board differently also. You can have a couple of other things. You want to be a film star, you want to do something else, so your thoughts will start guiding you towards achieving that vision. So all the very best, and enjoy creating your vision board. I'll be very happy once you create your vision boards. If you could just share those pictures, send them to me on the mail. The mail ID is already here. And जो बहुत अच्छे वाले vision boards आएंगे, I would be happy to share them in my videos once some of them come to me. So all the best. Continue doing your work for the vision board and create beautiful, lovely, amazing vision boards. Bless you. Stay connected. We'll meet again. I know ये थोड़ी लंबी हो गई वीडियो, बट क्या करूँ, बताना था ना, समझाना था, या तो इसके 2 पार्ट्स करती, बट आई थिंक इट्स फाइन, कभी कभार सुन भी लेना चाहिए, टीचर हो ना, इसीलिए. God bless. Thank you so much for being connected. In case you would want to listen to more on such topics, please mention in the comment box. We will be more than happy and ready to help you and assist you. बने रहिएगा, जुड़े रहिएगा. Thank you one and all.